that's an issue. Okay. Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, I'm Anabelle.
And I'm Em.
And today we have a really fun video for you. We're trying out some long wear lipsticks while eating some festive foods, so should be fun. Starting off with Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. My shade is in Siena.
And I have Lume Shimmer, which is this fun as pink shade. Hello.
Oh, she's hot.
Hello. Let's have a little, ooh, yep. She's fun.
So I'm gonna be wearing mine with Chestnut lip liner.
Yes.
Because it's not a nude lipstick without Chestnut, we all know that.
This one's got a beautiful metallic finish. Do you know what I love the most about the Stila lipsticks, aside from the fact, thank
Sorry.
is they smell like candy. Have you ever noticed this before?
Oh,
Like there's a sweet,
what's that smell?
like your childhood.
So we're gonna try out some food now. Should be fun.
Yeah.
We have some traditional mince pies. Everyone loves pie time. I don't think I've tried these before, so.
Okay, well this is an exciting moment in your life.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay. I hate it.
Yours is looking pretty good. So mine has pretty much not budged at all.
I could use a little blend, but
Yep.
she's holding up really well.
Yeah. Next look?
Next look.
Next look.
Love that.
Okay. So let's try some CIATE next. What do you reckon?
I'm excited for this one.
Yeah. So I have the liquid chrome in this shade Aurora. What have you got?
I have Glitter Flip in Fortune.
Oh, glitter flip is so much
Real fun.
Okay.
That's what this one looks like. So she's a real deep purple with glitter coming through. Like your loud friend that you can only really take in small doses, but still fun. Still fun.
Yeah.
So with the glitter flip, you have to wait a couple of seconds and then press your lips together. And then it reveals like more glitter if there wasn't enough already.
Oh my God. That is so much fun.
Who's that?
So this one is actually a gloss. So I'll be very interested to see how it survives after our next food item. But I've got faith in it. I think it's a strong enough color. The next thing we are gonna eat is probably the one I'm most excited about.
We have donuts. Stunning.
Stunning.
Okay.
All right, are you
Cheers.
ready? Cheers. Are we reviewing the donut or the lip?
Homo.
Did you just bite into a donut?
You can't tell?
No.
Oh, we have a winner. Even though yours is a gloss, it's still holding up.
It's looking all right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's have a look.
Yeah. So even though liquid chrome is glossy, lasts well throughout a donut.
Okay, so next up we have Too Faced. So I have the Melted Metallic in Give It To Me.
And I have the Too Faced Peach Kiss Moisture Matte Lipstick.
Let's get them on.
Yeah, amazing. This is a gorgeous, like, deep red.
That's such a nice red.
How beautiful is it?
Yeah, like a friendly red. Mine feels really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not like drying, which is surprising.
So we're going to be eating what I think is the ultimate party food, really.
Agreed.
Fun-size sausage rolls. These are very popular at parties, and I will often try and get my hands on one at parties, so I'm really excited to see if this lipstick is going to last the distance.
Okay.
Yum.
Oh, let's do it.
Okay.
Another banger. Look at that.
How am I doing? What do you reckon?
Love that.
Wouldn't
even
have
tell.
known? No.
Yeah. Okay, so next up we have some YSL.
YSL.
I have the Tattoo Couture Matte Stain in the shade 15.
And I have the Voluptu Liquid Colour Balm in the shade number 8.
Lovely.
The balm is, I would still say, fairly long wearing. It kind of, maybe once the sheen has gone, leaves a bit of a stain.
Love that.
So there is that kind of long wearing element. This is a very fun pop of pink. Oh yeah, that is so nice.
I love this, very festive.
Yeah.
These are one of my favorite formulas. I was wearing this at Mecca Land for like 8 hours each day.
Yeah.
Stayed on completely because it's like a stain. Food time.
Food time.
What do we have here, Em?
Today we've prepared everyone mini pavlovas. I think this is like classic Christmas Day kind of dessert-ish. They look a bit messy, won't lie.
She looks quite messy.
I'm a bit nervous.
Smells good though.
Smells good. Ready?
It's like a race. Okay. Okay.
Oh. Yum. Okay.
Survivor.
Survivor.
Love that.
Nothing has budged.
See what I mean? She's just great.
So I've got, a little bit on the side here. I reckon I do, and some crumbs, but generally pretty good. I mean, the colour's still there. Like it hasn't completely disappeared.
Stamp of approval. There you go.
Up next, we've got some NARS, and it's the Power Matte lipstick, and I have the shade Vein. What do you have?
I have Paint It Black. Black lippy for the win.
Black lipstick. Oh my gosh. I don't think I've ever done a black lipstick before.
You have to try it.
I should.
You have to.
What kind of event am I wearing a black lipstick?
I mean, like the shops, the park.
These applicators are so precise.
Really, really good.
Oh my God.
It's like, who's that? Yours looks great.
Thank you.
I feel like you're so festive and I look like I'm going to a festival. I feel like I'm really excited. We have a really fun meal.
It's a really fun meal. A pizza. Well, not a whole pizza. Or maybe a whole pizza.
A slice for now.
A slice for now.
Start small.
8 for later. This is so end of night snack, right?
It has to be. Let's do it.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
You're good too. And this one's holding up really well, especially because it's black, but it still looks really, really pigmented.
So there you have it, guys. 5 very long-lasting lip looks that are going to get you through all of the eating you're going to be doing this festive season. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see in the comments below.
Beautiful.
And we'll see you next time. And I guess like this pizza is going to finish
this,
itself. Yeah.
so
Great.
don't mind us.
Okay.